Hi guys, it is Smoky Jollof Day. Excited! Let's go to the kitchen together. Welcome back to the kitchen, guys, and don't forget we're making smoky jollof rice. So the first thing I usually do is to fry my onions and garlic. I fry properly in this oil until it almost got burnt, but it did not get burnt. It was just a little bit brown before adding my tomato paste. Yes, I said my tomato paste because I made it myself. It's homemade. I allowed it fry properly before adding my pepper mix. My pepper mix consists of rodo, shombo, and however I like to mix it. Then I proceeded to add in my thick chicken stock. Yeah, it's a very thick one. Then I added my curry, my homemade paprika. Yes, I made it black because I added a little shirishi. Then I proceeded to add in the remaining of the spices I wanted to add. Then I allowed that one to fry by adding a little bit of water and fried a bit before adding my seasoning cubes and salt. So I allowed that to also fry and incorporate properly into my base. Yes, this is the base for my jollof rice. And prior to doing this, I'd already parboiled the rice. So I just put a little bit of water, then I cover it for it to boil. Hi, see this water. So after boiling, I proceeded to add in my parboiled rice into it, and I left it for a few minutes before turning it. This rice is already coming to life. I turn it at intervals so that they are going to properly incorporate. That's the rice and the base. Another thing I like to do is that I try to use aluminium pot anytime I want to make smoky jollof because I want it to burn. So I added a little bit of margarine in this food because the taste. Hey, you need to try this thing. So at this point the rice was ready, but it was still a little bit hard. But I did not want to put water, so I had to use the foil paper to allow it steam before giving it the final state, and it was ready at this point. Guys, check out this rice. Guys, I hope you enjoy what you're watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. So I made this chicken stew. It was actually a grilled chicken. The chicken was made with air fryer. I'm going to show you how that was done in upcoming videos. Enjoy it, and I even had to top it with this thick yogurt. If you like to see how this yogurt was made, check out the previous video.